Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the color grading in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, click the color tab at the bottom of the screen. Then here you need to understand the layout. The viewer, this shows your video, while the nodes, this is where you apply corrections. The color wheels will adjust the shadows, midtones, and highlights, while the scopes helps you monitor the brightness and color levels. Then here, there are the correct exposures. In color wheels, you can use lift for shadows, gamma for midtones, and gain for highlights, while offset is to adjust the overall brightness. In order to fix the white balance, you can use the white balance speaker to click on something white in your video, or manually adjust the temperature and tint sliders. You can also add a contrast and saturation. You can increase the contrast and boost saturation slightly to make colors pop. To apply a creative color look, create a new serial node. Press Alt plus S or right-click Add Node and click Add Serial. Then here, use curves or color wheels to create a look. You can cool tones, warm tones, or teal orange and more. You can also add LUTs or lookup tables in a node for cinematic style. And you can use a power windows. You can check scopes, use a waveform to ensure that your image isn't too dark or too bright, and compare with original. And always start with correction, then move to creative grading. Save your grades by making presets or steal reference for future project. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.